Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I need you to cross your fingers that my camera does not shut down from the heat, because this is the extra video, and if I can be quick enough and use up my pretty colors that have been sitting for a while, that would be neat. But there's no guarantees by any stretch. But I am going to go ahead. What am I going to go ahead and do? I am going to go ahead and give myself some black paint. Actually, you know what? I would really like the bigger bottle. There we go. Let's do that. I kind of see stuff in there that's got to go. I'm tired of getting my paint all over everything. It's really hot out here today. I'm just going to do it. That's my OXO omelet turning spatula. Best paint miraculous spreading spatula that I know of. And it's on the Amazon link below. Show more below the video. If you don't do anything else for yourself, if you decided to pour paint, I recommend that this be the one thing you invest in, because you can actually use this as a creative tool as well as a paint spreading tool. I love swiping with my spatula, and I just did another 16 by 20 inch painting with it. And it's easy and compelling and fun, and so now I am going to wipe that off because I might want it myself in a moment, and I don't want to find it with any dry paint on it. And I am going to use the rake. I have way too much paint here, you know that? Okay, so I guess I'm not going to use the rake. I'm going to do something kind of simple. And I got a lot of paint left over out of that. Let's just keep doing that right there. And then, because I always wanted to prove to myself that I was correct about this, let's torch. Yes! If you catch it early on, you have a much better chance of cells. I don't want to set the paint up too much. I do want to cover over my canvas edges. Oh, I have some pretty paint there. You know what? I really just want to dump that right in. Wow. I've got paint over my edges. No matter what I do today, I can't seem to use up my paint all at once. Oh well. I should have used a 16 by 20 inch canvas instead. That would have probably worked better. But it is what it is. And I'm going to let it all go down there. And then back again, because I see some canvas and I want it covered. I also see something else, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I am mistaken. Anyway, so I've got black paint and a finger, and I'm going to use it to cover that edge and hope that my camera is not too hot. Whoops. Part of the painting now. Gotta roll with the splooges. Got some noisy birds this afternoon, I gotta say. What? You guys are really noisy. They're not enjoying my commentary. Maybe I'm a little too wound up today, who knows. But it's hot, and I didn't think I was going to be out here for very long. And I just keep having more and more fun. And I want to, oh, yes I do. I want to find my basting brush and use it right here. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Because I want to see what happens. And I could have left it alone. It's true. It was pretty nice. But I'm not minding this either. And I've got all that paint, and it just bothers me that it's there on my tile and that it's going to get thrown away. So I say, grab a palette knife. No, that didn't really work. I've got some other paint too. I just want to use it all. I'm throwing it up there. I guess I'm going to use it to cover my edges because it's there, because I can. So this is a quickie, definitely. And thank you guys for joining me, and thank you for all the nice comments. Usually I'm not sure what I'm going to get out of this painting, but it was still kind of fun. I wonder if I've got enough more paint to do something, and I do. You know that? I got beautiful paint. I wish I could get all of that paint right there. Right? No, I can't. Oh well. So I can still throw that down. Why not make a mess? I'm already there. It's not like it's not like it's work. The mess has happened already. I don't know why I wasn't completely satisfied, but I just needed something else. And I don't think I'm done, because I refuse to waste all that paint. And I really don't have time. To do anything else today. Just leading it right off the corner. What else? Anything else? I don't know. I had some pretty purple there. It's gone now. Alright, so I'm driving myself a little crazy. Short trip. I am going to just take some of that and let it go right up the edge. Ooh, we got some peacock feathers in there. I'm just going to put it right there, scraping it right out of the pan with my not usually very useful palette knife. But right at the moment, ooh, that's huge. I don't know where that is. That must be what's dried on from earlier. Okay. So, I'm covered on all sides and then some. So I guess that means I'm done. And whatever I'm supposed to tell you is on every other video you've ever watched of mine. But if you decide you'd like to help me and get into this month's contest and you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, the links are on my header and under the video, under Show More. And the prizes are on the end screen video showing the 10 by 20 paintings. And I'm going to give this a quick touch on its edges because the paint recedes a little bit. And pretty colors. I'm good. I'm not unhappy with my pretty colors at all. I've even got some nice patterns. I just have a huge mess, that's all. And I like that. In spite of that, there's a big wall, puddle of paint right there. Oh well, I'm going to smooth that out. Alright, I love you guys. Thanks for 65,000 of you. If you like what I do, please, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up and watch some more videos. And the more you watch videos, the more likely I am to be able to continue to do this, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that you like me, and that's very helpful, and you guys have been helping me out quite a bit lately, and I appreciate it very much, so thank you so much for that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida going, I know I didn't say a bunch of stuff I always say, but you'll see it again some other time. It's a little unbalanced, but sometimes that's a good thing. I don't know. Is it a good thing right now? Yeah, I like it. We're good. All right. You guys take care. Whatever I forgot to tell you is under the video. And if you look there, you'll find it. Bye for now. I hope you can see all of that. There we go, now you can. All right, I'll see you soon. Priscilla out.